What is a customer journey? Customer journey is a variety of touch points by which the customer moves from awareness to engagement and purchase. It's a graphical tool, and it contains phases, touch points, moments of truth, thoughts, emotions, and opportunities for improving the customer experience. Really, the biggest reason for doing a customer journey map is alignment. It's to get everybody in your organization aligned on the target customer experience. And that target customer experience can be 3-5 years out, but basically you want everybody thinking and working towards the same target customer experience. And how do you do that? You get them all in the same room, you get all the different silos together, you break down the silos, and you get them aligned on producing a single visual tool of what the target customer experience is. And basically use it as a decision aid tool to go forward investing in your customer experience.
Customer journey mapping really shed light on me for the client's experience throughout an organization. I think this is really the way to push forward and allow a company to excel beyond what all of the other companies are doing and not doing well.
I recommend this course to anyone in academia. You should go outside of your comfort zone and you should think in an entrepreneurial fashion. I learned how to teach my students better, how to provide better services for our patients, and also how to contribute more to our faculty.
Coming from a marketing background, I had experience with customer journey mapping. But the workshop took it to a whole new level, helping us map out all of the customer touch points through an organization, find the gaps, and then map out solutions to each of those gaps. I would recommend this for anyone at any level in business that wants to take their results to the next level.